as the national chairman of the ODM party, I also want to make it very clear that this Homa Bay County and this entire region is an ODM zone. It is an ODM zone. And the next time I see what I saw at the funeral of Koyo, where my party leader is seated, and some people have come there shouting, Uda, we will not agree, we will not accept, it will not happen. It will not happen. It will not happen. Not under my watch as national chairman of the ODM party. This is an ODM zone. Na tutaki madarau. And you can see we are quiet. Unaweza ona simba nyeshewa, ukadhani ni paka. Hakuna paka hapa. Hakuna. Onge paka ka. Wan simbni. Wanangowa. Wan sibuoche. Ansibuor madhako. Amilo bekamano. Musa bekamano. Bensuda bekamano. Eve bekamano. Inyane no muol to sibuor. Kaluma bekamano. Watch ni. Wadwa no chop gike. O chop kare. We want it. We want to get to the bottom of this matter. Awacho go because Were would have said them on my behalf if I was the one who was slain. Do wacho gibe do koluor. Yeah. Ambe wacho giko kaluor. Yeah. Oka wacho giko kaluor. Wacho giko kaluor. One ODM. And I want to say, this is an ODM zone. We will protect ODM with our lives. We will protect our party leader with our lives. We will protect it with whatever it takes. Yeah. And if you want to dare us, I will tell you today, bring it on. Bring it on. Yeah, don't dare us. Kikutu kodwa, be kikuchawa. Okwa duara chaya, be okwa duara yuma. Adwa wacho ni Jako Waro, Ogai Mamilambo,